Hi everyone. I just wanted to share a few of the study guide questions for the test that we did not cover in class. One of them is called Show Hide, and that's on the Home tab in the paragraph group. This little paragraph symbol, if you click it, it will show you when you pressed enter. It also shows that there's a raised dot. Those are space bars. A period right here is a lower, and the space is higher. So it just tells you when you press space bar between words, or if you pressed enter at the end of a line. If I were to actually press tab, it would be an arrow. That would be a tab if I press tab. So everything shows with the show hide. The next thing that I wanted to show you is I'm going to turn it off. This is multiple pages. There's 4 pages. So if you wanted to go to page 4 quickly, we use the navigation, which is the find, and you could go pages and you could go to page 4. But you could also use the find, go to, and page. You could actually type in the page here and go directly to page 4. So it's just the go to shortcut rather than the navigation. And the go-to shortcut is Control G. That will get you to this menu. The next thing I wanted to show you is the drag and drop. So if I wanted to drag Home tab and put it in a different location, if I select it, I could actually hover over it and then move it to a new location. If I do that, it takes it out of the original location and puts it in a new. If I hold Control and drag it, it keeps it in both locations. Either way, it does not show up. A drag and drop does not show up in the clipboard pane. And then one more I want to show you is the Thesaurus. And let's say you use perform a lot and you want to find another word that's similar to the word perform. So if you right click on perform, you could go to synonyms and you can find another word that has the same meaning but it's different. Or you can open the Thesaurus and then here's the word you're looking up, and then there's different variations of the word perform. Another way you can open the Thesaurus is if you double click. Let's say I wanted a new word for combination. I can hold Shift and press F7 and that opens up the Thesaurus. I can also get it in review over here in the top left, and you can pick a different phrase. This is a great feature for writing and you're stuck on a word. You can look up other words that have the same meaning while staying in Word. So hopefully that'll help. Thank you.